Influence here, and today I have the Killerbody Matrix. Now this is, if you know Killerbody, Killerbody is the company that has the arc reactor phone charger, proof that Tony Stark has a heart. Y'all know, everybody that saw Iron Man, that thing. They also do the helmets. Those helmets, I think they're metal. I'm not sure. This isn't metal. I thought it was metal. Well, it's not all metal. It feels like it has some heft to it, but it definitely isn't all metal. The chain is metal. So I did an unboxing for my members. They got the full unboxing experience. The unboxing is pretty great. I do like the box. So let's just get it into that.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
So here you are with the box. When you unbox it, you open this. It's Optimus Prime's chest, basically. And you just open it, and then the box comes out like that, and the Matrix is in there. So I think that's pretty dope. I love unboxing experiences, and this is definitely a box you would want to keep. You also get a USB-C because it is rechargeable to USB-A. Subscribe. Here's the main Matrix. I put the chain on. I did it most of the stuff without instructions. There is instructions. It does come with instructions, but I mean, I like to see how intuitive stuff is. So you just put the chain in. That's no big deal. Chain is pretty long. You can wear it yourself. It is a lot smaller than the Hasbro one. Well, this is officially licensed by Hasbro. Killerbody is an official licensed company. So everything they make is licensed products. You can plug it in when it's closed. It has a little opening. That's where the plug is, right there. There's a power button at the top. It is a Bluetooth speaker right here. And it has a little protective thing because the speaker is pretty exposed. But there's a protective plastic with the Autobot symbol on it, so you don't hit that speaker by mistake and mess it up. Now, open it up. You can turn this on. There's a power button right here. Hold it. Comes on. I believe you can hear that. It's loud. To be honest, I don't know if you can turn it down. It automatically connects. Well, not automatically, but it is on to be discovered when you turn it on. So you look for, I think it's KBLM. Open it. You hear that? It has all of that. Now you can play music from your phone or whatever else you connect it to it. But this does have voice. So you hit the button.
Autobots, transform and roll out.
I'll just cycle through.
I am Optimus Prime.
I was saying in the unboxing, I don't know. It sounds like Peter Cullen. I'm pretty sure if it's licensed, it is, but it does sound a little different. I think it might be excerpts from the movie, maybe.
I've returned, more powerful than ever. Not on my watch, Decepticons!
But to be honest, I don't know. Maybe he recorded it just for this, or maybe he just maybe they just have him in the stash. Like they have his voice in the stash.
I'll take you all on. One shall stand, one shall fall.
And it does a lot.
My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron.
That to me sounds like they might have got it from the movie, and it has some type of, because it sounds different. They might have had to isolate his voice, so they use some type of digitalization. I don't know. Who knows? But it does say a lot. That's what I mean when I was saying it has a lot to do.
You are my friend. Very cool. I am Optimus Prime. Leader of knowledge.
Oh, my bad.
Is the pathway to victory.
I thought we was back at the beginning, but we weren't yet.
Autobots, transform and roll out. I am Optimus Prime.
Yeah, I think so. And every time you close it, every time you open it, is going to do that. But also, I will show you, it's not the greatest speaker. It sounds good and it's loud, but like I said, it's not the greatest speaker for music. I mean, if you're an audiophile and you like your music crisp and nice, it does have some distortion because it's a small speaker. It's very small, but it's not bad. It's not terrible. Let me go to some music that I know is not copywritten. So you can hear. As you hear, it's not bad, it's loud, but it's not going to be, you know, you're not going to be blasting it, maybe not in the shower or something, because it does get distorted. But you can't expect a whole lot from a speaker this small. I think I mentioned, whoa, my bad. It also has this cover. I don't know if I might have said that in the beginning. So you can't push the speaker in because the speaker's exposed. And if you push it in just a tad, a little bit, it does this sound. So that's why it's doing it. But let me close it. So yeah, it's not bad. I don't know if I mentioned it's plastic. It is plastic. It looks metal. I thought it was metal, but it's not. But it is painted great. Has the yellow. Has the clear ball. It's kind of like Hasbro's, which I don't know why they didn't paint it this color. This is the color I would have want the Studio Series Matrix to be, this part, because it does look metal. In pictures, I thought it was metal. It does have some heft to it, but like I said, it may just be the speaker and the electronics giving it heft, and maybe the glass, plastic, whatever this is. Oh yeah, then you let me wait for it to go off before I talk. Then you just hold that and turn it off, and it doesn't come back on. You do have to always push the power button. But yeah, that's about it for this review. Short and sweet. The Killerbody Matrix. It is pretty small. I mentioned that before. I thought it was a lot bigger. I knew it was smaller than the 1-to-1 Studio Series one, because this isn't 1-to-1. It didn't claim to be 1-to-1, but I thought it maybe was a little bit bigger than this. But it's cool. It's cool. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll get over with you in the next one. Peace.
You know, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.